Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Apple Airpods Max. These ones are in a sky blue. I did already record a short unboxing which I was going to do in a separate video, but that phone has since died on me, so I've lost the video. So this is going to be, I'm going to do this all unboxing and review in one because obviously all the packaging and that is taken off from the other video. So it doesn't warrant its own video anymore because it's not going to be an overly exciting one, but you still get a rough idea of how what it's like to unbox. So once the lid slides off, which is actually quite cardboardy, quite cheap feeling to be honest, however, you then get presented with your case, which looks quite a bit like a bra for some reason, and obviously in this case the blue Airpods Max get presented. They've got cardboard on the ears to protect them, and straight away you can feel they're actually very heavy, very premium feeling. Nice squishy mesh here, which obviously had brilliant reviews for being comfortable for a long time, all of that. I kind of expected this case to maybe charge them as well or something exciting, but it's literally just a bit of light fluffy material, which is a little bit disappointing. So obviously I had to have a play with these. I just boxed them back up for you just so you could have a look. So very nice feeling, guessing like aluminium style cups, and then you've got the right and left of the ear just kind of inside. I don't know if you can see that. Very nice, but very obviously very premium materials, as you'd hope for 550 quid. But yeah, very nice, very squishy, all that. Feels very solid at the joints as well. A lot of headphones feel quite clicky and stuff when you're changing the size, like pushing these up and down. But these don't. They're very, you just push them and then they lock. I'm not entirely sure how it does it, because obviously most of them are almost like a ratchet and it feels very cheap. But these feel, that's probably the biggest difference actually, funny enough, is it just feels so premium. All the materials. You've got your button on top here, which does the noise cancelling, changes it from like when you move your head and stuff like that, and to the transparency mode. And then you've got your volume knob on the other side, which is quite cool, although it does seem to, in my little time playing with them, it does seem to clockwise is down, if you see what I mean. So maybe it just feels a bit odd, feels like it should be the other way around. And then we've got still a lightning port on the bottom here, not moved to USB-C just yet when these came out. And actually they've already woken up. These obviously work the same way as the little AirPods work, where you put them on your head, they turn on, take them off, it will stop the music for you as well, which is very nice. Obviously with headphones it's very hard to do a sound test because playing my phone near the headphones means nothing to you. But rest assured these are incredibly comfortable, which I know is most of the praise that these have had, is they are definitely much more comfortable, much more, you could wear these for, well, I wore them for an hour, maybe two, and I didn't feel a slight bit of discomfort in that time, whereas I know from past experience that Bose headphones and stuff like that, as good as they are, do get uncomfortable. I don't know how, seeing as these outer bits feel quite hard. I guess that just doesn't touch your head. I don't know how they've managed it, but these are a very nice set of headphones. Personally, the noise cancelling and the transparency modes actually make me feel a bit ill. I'm not entirely sure why, but I don't like them personally at all. I think if you just turn it all off and use them as headphones, they're great anyway. They don't need any of that. If you're someone that likes noise cancelling, these are very good. But personally, I just don't like the effect it gives the music, or when you pause the music and you're just sitting there, it feels like you're underwater. Personally, I don't like it, but then again, it does show how good it is that it actually provides that effect, because lots of others you can't really tell. So yeah, I mean, there's not really much more I can say in a video about headphones, to be completely honest. If you have any questions, I can't think of exactly what else there would be, but if you have any questions, pop them down in the comments. And well, I would say if you have the spare money for these are worth it and are genuinely better than the £100 less Bose, or Sony or anything competitors. However, obviously you've got to suck up that price tag.